What is up, CP for E Squad? It is your girl Paige, and I am back with another lit video per usual. Hey, per usual. So you guys, today your girl, she got a lit video she gonna do on Ced. So right now it's Saturday, and we are supposed to be vlogging today, which we are gonna vlog, but you know your girl had to add a little spice to the vlog, you know what I'm saying? The vloggy. Before I go ahead and tell you guys what about this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below what you guys think and new things y'all want us to do. Also, if you want me to do pranks on Ced, make sure y'all just DM me. Like, don't be scared. My DM's open. DM me. You guys, I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do. So I thought of this prank idea. I haven't seen it nowhere else, you know, so I was like, good, unique, you know what I'm saying, something different. So basically, I am going to be like vlogging, but I'm gonna hold the camera. I'm gonna be making like weird noises to get Ced's reaction. So I'd be like, ooh, like just different stuff like that just to get his reaction. So make sure you guys tune in for this video. And you already know Ced and Paige, already put that down in the comments. Y'all already know how we coming. Make sure you're staying safe out there too, you guys. We don't want none of y'all getting corona, and if you do have corona, please stay home, sanitize your hands, wear a mask everywhere you go. Please wear a mask. Wash your hands every 30 minutes. Have hand sanitizer. Please stay safe out there. We love you guys. And I'm about to prank Ced. So let's get it. Let go.
A few moments later.
Whoa, what it do, CP for E family? It's your girl Paige.
And it's your boy Ced.
And we are back with another lit bang video for you guys.
We back, you guys. If you haven't, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So, as you guys see what we got going today.
You guys, we're gonna be going to Wally World. Wally World. We going to Walmart.
So you guys, we got some stuff that we gotta go get. Some stuff, you know, around the house.
You know what I'm saying? But you know, we gotta make sure we protected, okay? Because we're gonna have our mask on.
Yep.
What we're about to do, like he said, we're about to get some stuff for the house. Not too much stuff. Are we gonna buy stuff today?
Nah, I'll probably get I want some stuff for the refrigerator, probably some drinks, some snacks, and, you know, probably a little meals here and there.
Yeah, oh, I need some meals for lunch, right, for it. We're gonna do that today, and we're gonna bring you guys along with us because y'all have been asking just to be like, you know, like this close to us. So we're gonna give y'all that. Ooh, baby.
Now that's pretty close.
That's pretty close. So we're gonna give y'all all that. Like, we're gonna take y'all with us. Me personally, vlogging in front of other people. It's weird. But you know what? I'm gonna do it for y'all.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it for y'all.
See y'all guys in the car, you know.
Oh! See you guys in the car, you guys.
What?
Okay, so
Let's get it.
Let
go. Baby, you tired?
So right now, y'all, we're walking to the car. Y'all see Ced little pink mask. Pink mask. I got tons of pink masks because I used to do eyelashes, so I had a lot of them on deck. So, but yeah, we're about to walk to the car right now. And
Hey, why you keep making that noise? You tired?
no, what do you mean? Oh, y'all, this light. Oh, look at my little highlight. Oh, yeah, girl, look cute, bub. Are we taking my car or your car?
No, man.
We can take mine if you want to. I just filled it up, so. But yeah, you guys, we were on our way to Walmart. We gotta get a few more things, and I don't want to bore y'all, so we're gonna see y'all once we get there. So see y'all when we get there. We're gonna see when we get there.
See y'all when we get there.
And right now we're in Walmart, and we're passing the baby section. Oh,
Babies.
but we need to get some stuff for his house, like we told y'all. I got some wipes. I use this to take my makeup off because my skin is so sensitive that I cannot like really put alcohol on it. I can, but it will dry my skin out, and why would I want to do that? Why would I want to do that? They got about time. They got tissue and stuff. It was like 3 months. We was fighting for tissue. You want to get those over there? Oh! What's new or something? Yeah. I'm kind of sleepy. They don't have Clorox wipes? Y'all, we cannot find Clorox wipes anywhere. Like, nowhere at all. I'm actually getting more comfortable with the vlog in public, honestly.
Cleaning stuff. It's not too much of cleaning stuff real quick. Really? Come on, baby. There's not too much of cleaning stuff to choose from. You guys need, what, cups, forks, knives. Where do we go?
We got to Sam's, y'all. We literally like, okay, me and Ced run through stuff. I don't know why, because we do have company sometimes. So we run through stuff like crazy. Baby, when we went to Sam's and we stocked up on forks, knives, all that. How many weeks in here, baby?
Probably about 4 or 5.
Like 4 weeks and we still like stocked up to the max.
Yeah,
like
we got a lot of stuff.
Tom said comes over here, he's gonna grab like 5 or 6 of them, which I don't understand. Like strawberry lemonade, mango punch. Oh, you only got 2? You only got 2. And then he knows like in the deep over here, it's like in the deep freezer. Literally, they have like more flavor. So they have berry punch, lemonade, and fruit punch. What we getting, boo? What we getting?
What do you like?
Baby, I want fruit punch.
We already got fruit punch.
Oh, let's see. I'm good.
Okay, one more.
Okay, let's try lemonade. Where's lemonade?
Mango punch?
No, cause I didn't like that last time. You can get it. I didn't like that last time. It tastes weird. It tastes so weird.
Okay, so what else? What else we get? Baby, why did we get out if you're tired? Y'all, she act like she tired.
I am. Oh. Baby, put that back on. We not trying to get the wrong. Oh! Put it over your nose. You guys, I know we are not the only ones that go to Walmart and say we're gonna get one thing, but end up getting a whole cart full of stuff.
Yep.
Y'all, you just can't go to Walmart for one thing. Like, that's like impossible. Super impossible. So let's put up the rest. The worst part is like taking the shit in the house. I hate it. Oh.
At least.
Oh,
Baby.
what, baby?
I mean, at least we needed to go to grocery. At least come.
My legs hurt.
Really? Why are you making all this noise? What you mean? You really moaning low key.
No, I'm not moaning. What are you talking about? No, it is damn crazy.
Tired?
Yeah, I'm kind of tired. I'll put the basket up.
Hey.
So you guys, as y'all see, I think I'm doing a pretty good job. He said I sound like I'm moaning. No, boy. Boy, if you don't get a prank and you don't know yet. So what's up? So what's really good? Always make sure you go to Walmart. Always put your cart in the basket area. It helps out the workers. Be a little asshole and keep it, you know what I'm saying? Don't be a little asshole and keep it next to cars and stuff. Y'all, so I'm about to get in the car. So watch this. He can't even read my lips, so he's looking at me. But watch this. Oh, oh Lord, my legs. Oh! You ready to go home?
You gotta do all of that. Really, you gotta be that extra.
How am I being extra?
I've been hearing that since we've been going to Walmart.
I don't know what you're talking about. You're being dramatic.
No, that is you, baby.
You're being dramatic.
Why you keep making all this noise?
You're
Are you indicating that you?
I'm indicating that this is. I'm
Are you
indicating.
hot? What's going on? Are you tired?
P-R-A-N-K.
What?
P-R-A-N-K. Oh! This was a prank video. I made up this video, baby. Literally to make awkward noises to get your reaction. And I think I got your reaction pretty good.
I don't want to see the why though, like.
Because I thought it would be funny. It was funny. Y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, make sure you guys like,
What I tell you,
comment,
you
and
should be
subscribe.
coming up with all these bangers stuff.
Bangers. I come up with these bangers. Y'all need to help me out. Y'all, it's hard coming up with videos all the time. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all need to help me. And I don't want to do the same stuff everybody else do, so.
Man, I know you sure doing that sound, you know, so good.
Oh!
I'm thinking you tired.
Oh!
Really?
That was actually pretty good. Look at Chick-fil-A, baby. Oh, I love Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is so good. You guys, if y'all wasn't in our Zoom yesterday, y'all sleep. We was having fun and talking.
Yep.
And then the 3 people that was left at the end in our Zoom, we got their names down and they getting a free shirt that we gonna make. See, y'all missing out. Y'all don't even know.
Yeah, we got a whole bunch of shirt designs that we coming up with.
That said it, y'all. Literally said it's so creative. He coming up with literally all of it, and I'm just okay with it because I'm like, it looks good. Ain't nobody else got it, so we Gucci. Right, boo.
Mm-hmm.
Right,
so,
boo.
Guys, so you know, if you put in the comments below what
Oh wait. Oh, boy, that light just hit. Oh. Okay, sorry. Go ahead.
You guys put your favorite color down below, and you know what size shirts y'all wear. Your favorite color, we most likely may send you a free shirt.
Most definitely we'll send you a free shirt if we make the cut. See, people on Zoom, they make the cut, so they gonna get the free shirt.
We have a Zoom, another one coming soon.
We are gonna have another one.
Y'all gotta stay tuned, stay actually posted, you know.
But you already know it's the end of the vlog, end of the video. You know your girl come with them bangers all the time, baby. Ooh, baby, your face looks good, boo.
And
Look at that glow.
All day I just heard her talking about. I'm like, what are you doing that for? Like,
Because it's a prank video, and I got
but
your
like, why you prank people are doing that? Like,
because I can. I'm being rude.
how?
Cause you know that was a good video. Don't even lie.
Talking about
Was that a good video or not?
good video on that? It's alright. I got something coming. I got something. I never know when you had a camera on. You know, actually doing what you expected. We think we doing. You know.
Oh, your face look good, by the
And
way.
we vlogging for y'all, and she gonna come with all these pranks.
Gotta do what I gotta do, baby boy. All right, y'all. So you already know at the end of every single video we give our post notification shout out, and you already know. CP4E family. Today it goes to Drip Gloss TV. Thank you so much, Drip Gloss girl, for watching my videos and commenting and subscribing. Make sure you guys have a notification bell on and ringing, and if you want to be the next to be shouted out in our video, make sure you comment down below something positive. You know what? Drip Gloss, I'm gonna read what you put. You put, this one is funny, with a whole bunch of laughing faces. That was a prank I did on Ced, so thank you so much for watching. So you already know what that means. It's the end of the video, so peace.